Every sales tool wants to sell you a new way to sell. New framework, new acronyms, new certification. Here's what the research says. Harvard Business Review found companies with a formal sales process showed 18% higher revenue growth. The winning variable wasn't which guru wrote it, it was having one and following it. CSO Insights found companies with a dynamic methodology tuned to their own selling reality beat informal approaches on quota attainment by 37%. Your process, refined by your data, beats both chaos and someone else's rigid framework. So why does almost every sales platform force you into their methodology? PrimalSales.ai works the opposite way. You bring your methodology, your phases, your vocabulary. The AI runs on your process. Reps role play against AI prospects scored on your phases. Every real call is graded against your non-negotiables. The coach speaks your language, and a heat map shows you, rep by rep, where your process gets skipped. Training decays, reinforcement compounds. CSO Insights found coaching aligned to your own framework drives 27.9% better win rates. You already have a way of selling that works. Get software that enforces it. Book a free demo at PrimalSales.ai.